What are you cooking, Poch?
We're cooking the stir-fried veggies, and there's some
The first one? Ano to, Poch? Bitter melon.
and some egg and some.
How about
Yeah,
that one? What's
this one
that?
is stir-fried vegetables with meat
And
garlic and onions, just like the bitter melon.
what?
They both have garlic and onions.
And what's you gonna flavor it with?
Chili con carne.
Chili con carne. Is that your recipe for today?
Yeah. We're just gonna try it out. It's totally experimental. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang.
Watch your hand.
That's a lot of spuds.
A lot of spuds.
Yep. As the British call them. British. Britain.
Okay. Mix it.
Yep. Okay, now we've added a little bit of this into
What's that?
Oh, chili con carne. We added a little bit of chili con carne into our
Veggie.
food. Yeah. And
And
now
the
we're
rest?
the rest is gonna be mixed into fine ones, much more finer.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Okay, what's next?
Our next squash.
Okay.
Okay.
Add them all up. Or use your spatula. Or your
Is that a
ladle.
spatula?
I mean your ladle. It looks like a spatula.
I don't know what you really call it.
In Tagalog, ano yan?
What is it called inside in the Philippines?
Yeah, I forgot.
No, I meant this.
Sandok?
This.
What?
That.
The squash?
No, not the squash. This tool.
Sandok?
Huh?
Sandok?
Sandok?
I guess, sandok. I forgot. Okay, mix them good.
You're old. It's really hard now. There's so many stuff.
I can help you. Does it smell good now?
Yeah, it smells good.
I know it smells good.
I'm gonna eat this.
Are you hungry?
Yes. I'm hungry.
Okay,
Now
what's
we have
next?
The chili con carne.
Chili con carne. Okay, be careful. Don't touch the pan. It's hot. You can
Yep.
scrape it. Scrape it.
Alright.
Every bit of it. Yeah.
Hopefully this thing doesn't fall.
Alright.
There we go.
Then we mix it.
Mix it all up.
Okay.
Yummy. I'll eat this.
Oh yeah.
I'd
You like
serve
your
this in a
veggies.
5-star restaurant if I were you. But this is still experimental. So, we don't know yet.
Experiment the flavor. Well, I think it tastes good.
It will.
We just don't have the beans because Papa can't have beans.
Yeah, he can't have beans.
Whoa! Excuse me.
Gaseous diffusion. Running a car.
Okay. Well,
Here's the taste test.
taste test. Okay.
This time. I just bring a spoon. With a rattle.
Good. How's the how do you call it? Ampalaya.
Yeah.
You like ampalaya?
Mhm.
It's good, huh?
Mhm.
Especially with egg. Okay. How about this? Your chili con carne. You can use just the fork.
Why?
It's just us. Okay. Hang on. Let's do that.
Okay.
Okay. Now you have to
Blow.
blow because careful. Okay. Hold. Careful, huh? It's really hot, hot, hot.
Oops.
Oops.
Ano luto niyo?
Chili con carne. Careful. Malamig na?
Yep.
Hulog.
Still pretty hot.
Well, masaya sa kanya. Mawar gyapon. Dahil mahawa.
Taste a little bit. Good. So, spicy or no?
Kind of spicy.
But, you like it? Okay.
Ano yun?
Okay, let's eat!